Hello everybody, my name is Gloria and this is my pet Basil. Hi guys, you may notice that I'm dressed up differently. It's because today's a very important day for me and well, sorry for not posting videos a couple days ago. I had a very busy weekend. So I guess it's time to get started. You might remember this. Yeah, that wasn't a good video. Well, it was okay, but you know, I have a crazy idea. Today's my dad's birthday, and I want to make him an amazing present. So I guess it's time to get started. I hope you liked this video. It was kind of just for fun. It didn't turn out great, but I need to get back to my rhythm of making videos because, as I said, I skipped like 3 days of making videos because very busy weekend. But, you know, just trying to get back in. It's not the best project I've ever made, but I'm sure my dad will like it. So I guess that's all for now. Thank you so much.